Next, we will be putting the pie and the toppings into the oven. If you have, this is very full. If you're a little bit shaky and you're a little bit worried about spilling your filling on the floor or whatever, I have a trick for you. Take a cookie sheet, put your pie on the cookie sheet. That way, if anything spills, it'll go on the cookie sheet and not on your floor and not on your oven. Also, that extra bit of pumpkin pie filling that we had in the ramekin, we're going to put that on the cookie sheet as well. So, open your oven door. I have a high rack and a medium rack in the oven. We're going to put the pie on the high rack. So very carefully, without burning yourself, put this in the oven. Go slow, because that filling is very liquidy. Now we put the toppings that you made earlier and put them directly on the bottom rack in the oven. Now, set your timer for 15 minutes. The toppings only cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you need to take those out and we will be reducing the temperature to 350.